College is expensive. Who has hundreds of thousands of dollars lying around? I've done the research and sadly, that's only 30% of the people out there. The other 70% of American students are taking up loans to pay for college. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you are part of that 70%. Is it possible to pay it down before you graduate?
I'm here drowning in liquor, trying to feel a bit better. Don't know what you want with me.
Ayo, my name is Sean McMurray and this is my channel, Analytical Overdrive. The problem is college tuition is too damn high. We can talk about a lot of things, but college tuition is too damn high. All joking aside, the scenario is either you have a student loan or are about to apply for a student loan. You are about to start college full-time and free time. What is that? Like most college students, money is a concern and you know with each successive year you'll be that much closer to this ball of debt. It's chained to your leg and as restraints are concerned, limits your movement and goes with you everywhere. There are a few options to paying this debt down. Dave Ramsey's debt snowball, the debt avalanche, refinancing, joining the military, getting a job, and making your payments for an average of 21 years. For me, I've always been fascinated by the concept of making your money work for you. So I wanted to know, is it possible to pay off college by the time you graduate just by working in the summer and investing? College tuition is too damn high. In order to understand if it is possible to pay off your student loan debt in 4 years, we need to first understand how much college tuition is. If you are in college or preparing to ship out, you already know this answer, or you've decided to avoid the thought altogether as it keeps you up at night. On average, a 4-year degree is more expensive than a human heart on the black market. Literally, a human heart will run you $119,000. It's the equivalent of 2 years of income for the average American and is taking people 21 years to pay off. So how much is a 4-year degree besides your heart and indentured servitude for 21 years of your life? $122,000. So let's make some assumptions. You go to school in-state, and instead of living on campus or renting, you suck it up and live with Mammy and Pappy until you graduate. By doing this, you eliminate about $52,000, which brings your loan amount to $70,000. Also, there is interest on this loan amount. Considering we are paying this off in 4 years, I used the finaid.org calculator that determined total interest of $4,743.17, giving us a target of $74,743.17. How will we make money? I know the exact job you need to have, and no, selling your heart is not an option. Unless you were the other 9 common jobs for college students that I looked at. It seems selling your organs or working 24/7, 365 was the only option to get your loan paid off in 4 years. Actually, stripping was an option, but I didn't cover that here. There are 2 options that are outside the parameters of our experiment, but in the spirit of thinking outside of the box, I thought they would be good to mention. Hey, babe. Did you make any coffee this morning?
Yes, but you don't drink coffee.
Oh yeah, I actually don't drink coffee. But if you do and you think you can make a sweet cup of joe, then Starbucks may be an option for you. Salary alone would not suffice, but if you didn't mind attending Arizona State University, Starbucks will pay 100% of your tuition. If the barista life isn't your cup of joe, and you're looking for a little excitement, this may be up your alley. 2 of the top 10 decisions in my life was to join the military and the day I decided to get out. The military changed my life for the better. I highly suggest the military as a viable option to paying for college. The Air Force will pay up to $4,500 per fiscal year while in the service. That's not it either. With 4 years of service and an honorable discharge, you'll qualify for the full benefits provided through the post-9/11 GI Bill, which will pay for your college and provide living expenses. Here in Miami, that is up to $2,547 a month. That's play money. They still pay for your college on top of that. But if marching holding your genitalia and your rifle to ensure you understand the difference between the two doesn't tickle your pickle, I have a final solution. This is the only option that I found that could potentially afford you the possibility of paying off your student loans in 4 years while only working summers and investing. And that option is bartending. Obtaining legit statistics was difficult because a large portion of bartenders' salary comes from tips. The Bureau of Labor Statistics puts their average income at some ridiculously low number, but that makes sense. I'm pretty sure they're not reporting their full income. According to The Real Barman, who conducted a survey on 100 bartenders, he puts that number closer to $1,473.60 a week. That's considering a 40-hour work schedule. That equates to $12,526.60 for the years of 2016 and 2017 minus taxes, and $12,967.68 for the years of 2018 and 2019 minus taxes. Assumptions here are that you work summers starting right before your first year of college, with the last summer being after your third year. You just grind your ass off and put in at least 40 hours per week, and you save your entire salary until the end of summer. What stocks will we buy? I selected 2 stocks for this experiment and diversified amongst the 2. The first stock I knew about already, and I've talked about them in past videos. That stock is Equinix. I just love their growth over the history of this stock. Full disclosure, I hold Equinix stock and I am employed by Equinix in my day job. This is not an endorsement of or by Equinix. I am only talking about it due to its stock growth. For the second stock, I wanted there to be a bit of randomness to it. I selected Starbucks solely because I looked at them earlier as a place of employment for college students. For a beginning investor, it's a name that they would recognize and they would be able to easily find information about. The beauty of both of these stocks is that they pay dividends. I initially planned on reinvesting these dividends, but I felt this would get overly complicated with ensuring taxes were taken out. So we held on to the dividend payouts and added it to our overall take-home after the stocks were sold. Assumptions. We took our total earnings for the summer and split that in half. We took those 2 halves in equal parts and purchased Equinix and Starbucks stocks. Lastly, I purchased after 10 weeks of summer in the month of August. So let's put this all together. First of all, pat yourself on the back for getting this far. We set out with a goal trying to figure out if it was possible to pay off college in 4 years by only working summers and investing. We decided we'd pick an in-state college and live with Mammy and Pappy, which moved our target from $122,000 to $74,743.17. We decided that we would work our asses off in summer and save every penny. This allowed us to invest $50,986.56 after taxes into Equinix and Starbucks over 4 summers. We amassed 58 Equinix stocks and 423 Starbucks stock and saw a return on investment of 50%. But was it enough? Well, sorry to take you down this road only to find out that it was enough. With a few bucks to spare, we put together $76,537.25. This gave us $1,794.08 surplus to do with as we pleased. We did it. It was a bit tight, and sure, you didn't have any spending money during the year, but if you decided to work 1 or 2 weekends during the year, bartending or driving Uber a few nights out of the month, you'd have gas, booze, and stripper money. Against insurmountable odds, you did it. You made sacrifices and stayed home with Mammy and Pappy, which brought down what you owed to $74,743.17. While your friends took vacations in the summer, you went into grind mode and saved every dollar you made. While your friends invested into nights they don't remember, you invested into stocks. This allowed you to break free of the restraints of debt while your friends become indentured servants for the next 21 years of their lives. You made the sacrifices short term so that you could live the college life long term if you chose. Let me know what you think. Am I way off base here? Is there another industry you'd like me to work out a scenario for? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe. My name is Sean McMurray, and this is my channel, Analytical Overdrive. Ayo!